Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my wig from start to finish. I'm going to be basically showing you guys how I have been laying my wigs just to get them looking more popping than usual, all of that stuff. I didn't really know what topic to talk about in this, so I need you guys to give me topics because I'll be like all over the place. If you guys are interested to see this makeup look, I actually created this look because I'm going out Saturday to a pool party and I wanted to make sure I knew what look I wanted to do. So I feel like this is a perfect look, especially if you guys don't want to do too much but you still want to slay. Pool parties nowadays, you're really not getting into the pool, you're just there to look cute, you know what I'm saying? I will leave Nadula information in the description box below. This is their Brazilian curly hair, and if you guys are interested, I need you guys to continue to watch and go ahead and thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications because the makeup portion will be up like right after this. So I need you guys to come back and watch that. Okay, I love you. Bye. Hey my love muffins, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be actually showing you guys this poppin' hair that I actually have from Nadula Hair. This is their Brazilian curly hair, and I forgot the lengths. They'll be listed in the description box below, but it's some curly hair and I'm so happy. I dyed it jet black. I haven't worn it yet, so today I'm just going to be talking to you guys about what's been going on with my natural hair and what I've been doing to it to let it grow and just bring it back to life, and the reason why I cut my hair and all that stuff. But all of Nadula hair information will be listed in the description box below. I'll keep you guys updated on how I feel about the hair because like I said, I haven't worn this yet. I just customized this unit for myself and I put 3 of their curly bundles on the dome cap, and I also use their frontal. Their frontal matches the bundles perfectly. Today I'm just going to show you guys how I have been applying my wigs and talk to you guys while I'm doing it about my hair journey. So don't mind I look crazy because I'm actually going to do makeup with you guys too, but I just wanted to get this hair portion out of the way and talk to you guys also. And let you guys know, if you're a brown girl like me, I need you to pick these up because it makes your life so much easier when it comes to trying to make your wigs look natural. These brown flesh tone caps are popping. I would sleep on these. Usually I would get more of a medium color just so I can use my appropriate foundation powder shade on top of that, but this eliminates having to do any of that, especially if you're my skin complexion. They do have 2 of these that come in a pack, so just use one, not a big deal. I just got out the shower, so I'm going to reveal my hair underneath this. My hair has been growing and curl pattern is a little bit more wavier now because I haven't put any heat on my head at all. I cut all of like the bleach out of my hair and all of that, so as you can see, like I have more waves than I had once before. So this is my small little ponytail bun situation. It's tiny, but I'm so happy because I can put my hair in a ponytail now. I know y'all probably like my hair has grown back pretty fast, and I honestly have been keeping my hands out of my hair for the past couple of weeks just because I have been really customizing my frontals and my wigs to my liking, and everything has been working in my favor with doing that. So I actually sometimes I sleep in my wigs now, so I like to do that so I can pretty much give my hair a break. I like washing my hair all the time. Like if I'm not washing it with shampoo unless it's necessary, but I use conditioner all the time on my hair, and sometimes I'd just be like, just calm down, okay, leave the conditioner alone. Just put some oils in my hair, and that's what I basically do. Put right on the perimeter, like just right here. Same thing that I used to do, but I kind of like focus it more so right in here versus like putting it all the way down my forehead, because that kind of like makes it a little bit more annoying to take off. I'm gonna show you how I cut now. I just cut like really small sections first versus like just going ham. I do like try to peel it back just a little bit, but same thing, like just small cuts. And I try to have it all the way to my hairline, and same thing on this side. But like I was talking to you guys about the hair situation, I have been putting a whole bunch of oils in my hair. I was doing the rice water method, but I kind of started getting lazy with that, so I kind of slowed down. But I am going to start back up. My hair goes through this stage where it doesn't, like, at first I thought my hair wasn't growing at all. I'm just like, what is going on? But it honestly was just because I was watching my hair grow every day. Like, I wanted it to grow so bad that I was just like doing everything in my power to treat my hair so it can get some length to it. I didn't mind it being short in the beginning because I knew the reason why I cut it. It was just basically to have a fresh start with my hair. Also thought it was a good reason because I wasn't losing hair, but on this side of my hair I actually had shaved it off like a while back. And I shaved it off because I had dyed my hair platinum, like my real hair platinum, and I also was braiding it up as if I was just slow and didn't realize like I can't do that to my hair constantly. Like, I was actually sewing my hair down to platinum blonde natural hair, so it wasn't too good. So I ended up having just to shave like this part right here, and it just never grew back as much and as full as this side. But when I shaved all of my hair off, in that video, my hair actually was filling back in like it was supposed to. So that was the plus thing about actually cutting my hair off. Rice water definitely helps my hair grow a lot. I just been hella lazy about applying and creating the rice water. Also cut my hair off again after it grew back really good. But the reason why I cut it off was just because I wanted my hair to grow even. I had got a fade in the back. You guys may have remembered when my hair was blonde, so I just cut everything even all over. So it got to I had to cut it really short because the back was mad short. So I just wanted to go ahead and just cut it even so it can grow even. Like, my hair was taking forever to grow once again, and it was just because it was short all over. So I just started doing the rice water method again, a lot more oils. But I'm about to start back taking my biotin. I'm just using the Got2b glue on the lace. I'm going to start back taking my biotin and get me some more kaleidoscope drops. And I also have to share with you guys this freaking stuff that I've been using actually to grow my hair, and it's been doing great. If I was going to like it. So I also have been taking the time to actually put elastic bands on my wigs, and that also helps your wigs lay how you want them, flesh or your scalp color. And just be aware of how far you pull your frontals down. I know it may not look crazy, but trust me, sometimes we just don't really pay attention to that, and then we walk around looking nuts. So definitely pay attention to it. I just always add a little bit more spray on this side, due to the fact that it needs to be, you know, laying how I need it to lay without coming up. Now, I also like taking a comb, but I'm not about to get up and get a comb, so I'm just going to take like a little small brush, and I like pressing the lace right down on my forehead, because sometimes your lace is rolled up or sticking up and you don't want that. So just make sure you take like a smaller mirror and get close up and personal to the lace, just so you can see what's going on. I don't even think I was wearing their curly before. I think I was wearing their deep wave. So now I have their curly, and their curly is pretty, isn't it? So I've also pulled and cut my baby hairs more, just so, you know, it can help give off a gradient vibe to your hair. So make sure you do this step because it does help make it look a little bit more realistic. Especially if the wind start blending. I said the wind start blending. The wind start blowing on you. This step right here saves you from looking crazy, or even if your lace starts lifting, this kind of like helps hide it. So I know some people don't like baby hairs, but you don't have to wear them out. You can just create them so it can save the day. Because I don't like swooping my baby hairs at all, to be honest with you. I just like moving them around like this. And like if I do lay them, I'll lay them, but then I mess them up. So because I don't have time for that. But I'm also going to show you what I do before I start applying water. I part the hair and I spray the hairspray in between. So as you can see, when I part it, it looks realistic. The parting looks realistic because of that brown stocking cap underneath. So sometimes when we do put our foundation powder can look red, and then it can make our part look red, and that's not our scalp color. So that brown shade is like perfect. And you may need to know this. I know I needed to know this, but I kind of like self-taught myself and like trial and error. When you put the wig cap on, you need to make sure it's not on your forehead anymore. You need to make sure that the lace is like maybe an inch above the stocking cap, because you don't want the line of the stocking cap or the wig cap like on this part of the lace where you have parted and plucked and tweezed to make it look realistic, because then you're going to be able to clock it. So you can't clock it at all, because I actually cut off a lot, and I kind of cut off to the area where my natural hairline started, like even a little smidge after that, because you just want to make sure there's no line in the lace that you have going on. Even if you do have it, this brown stocking cap saves your life, because you can't really even see it, because it is pretty perfect to our skin complexion. Diet also plays a part when you want to grow your hair out, and exercising. That's how you know I haven't done it so long that I can't even freaking say it. Exercising also helps stimulate your hair follicles and help your hair grow. So definitely start working out if you want your hair to grow. I noticed that is one of the main things that was helping my hair grow before I even cut it off in the first place. The only thing about my natural hair, I can't stand my natural hair color. I have like this sandy brown hair color, and I always dye my hair jet black, but my skin is so sensitive. Like sometimes I get like the dye on my scalp, and then I'll break out and my eyes will be red, and I just will look like I'm dying. So I kind of like just try to stay away from that. And I just really been letting my hair do its own thing. But I think I'm gonna start back taking care of it. But it's good to actually take breaks from putting product in your hair, because then you have product buildup, then you have to keep washing your hair if you put too much stuff in it. But I'll show you guys my hair soon. But like you've seen before, I put this amazing hair on top of my head. It's pretty healthy, it's thick, and it's happy, and it's curling cream. Really not necessary, to be honest with you. Creams hold hair down, but because it's summertime and because we want this hair to look really good, I'm going to just do this. So for the pool party situation, I know how it looks, and if I don't want it to look like this, then I just won't do it. I haven't had some bomb curly hair in so long, and I just want you guys to know, like, this is definitely what I look for when I ask for curly hair, because I feel like there's so many companies out there that have been just popping the label curly hair on some hair, but in reality it really is just body wave. I mean, I'm sorry, not body wave, but deep wave. The curling cream just enhances the curls. So that's how that looks versus this big mane over here. I love both looks, and you guys know because I used to have my hair big and wild all the time. I am getting shedding though, just want you guys to know that. But you gotta remember, I haven't combed this hair out even since I have tweezed the frontal. So that's still probably just leftover hair from me plucking my frontal, because once again I haven't removed any of that hair since I created this wig too. So you can definitely check out some other reviews so you are for sure I like taking the water all the way to the root of the hair, because it's nothing like missing some pieces, and certain pieces don't look good as others. But I can definitely say they did an amazing job with matching the frontal with the bundles. Like, look at that. No difference at all. Because I know I used to hate that about curly hair. The frontal will be low-key body wave, and then the bundles will be curly. I do not know. This was my little sister's comb, and I had kidnapped this like 5 years ago because it worked with my natural hair so well. Because any comb that I would use on my hair would actually just take out my hair. But this one is a smooth process when it comes to combing through my natural hair. So I definitely kidnapped this. So I don't really want to part, so I'm just going to push the hair back. And if you have to wet around your frontal area, just cover the lace and use a spray bottle so it's not like completely drenched. Alright, so hair is out of the way. Now you guys can just basically watch it air dry while I do my makeup for you. I think I'm gonna do a two-part. Already at 22 minutes, so I don't want to make this hella long, but I love you guys. I will list all of Nadula information in the description box below air drying, but I'm gonna start the makeup portion and then I'll have the outfit in that video. But I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.